Hello everyone, welcome to Ridhima Creations. Today I would like to share with you how you can easily decorate bottles using clay work. This is a great way to upcycle and reuse empty milk bottles, old plastic bottles, etc. as planters or home decor pieces which would have otherwise ended up in your trash. So let's get started. Subscribe to Ridhima Creations and hit the bell icon to be notified every time we upload a new video. These are the materials that you will need. Air dry clay. I'm using clay of 3 colors here, green, yellow and red, for the floral design that I'm going to create. This is the brand of clay that I'm using. Some all-purpose glue, a glass bottle, talcum powder, cutter, and finally a wooden board or a plank which you can use to roll or mold the clay. I will leave links to these products in the description box. You can easily purchase them online using the quick links if interested. The first step is to roll the red clay into a cylindrical strip. This has to be a thick strip. Divide this into 6 equal parts. These will form the 5 petals and one is for the bud. Shape these into balls with your hand. Dust your palms with talcum powder to prevent the clay from sticking to your hands. 5 of these balls will be shaping into petals. First, you have to taper one end of the ball. Then press it flat in between your thumb and your index finger. Once you get the petal-like shape, use common objects you have at home, like a cutter, to add more detailing. Once you're happy with the details you have added, pinch the other end of the petal lightly. So we now have one petal. Similarly, do the same procedure for the other 4 petals. The clay we are using here is of air dry variety. That means you don't really have to bake it or do anything else to harden it. It hardens by itself when exposed to air. One more tip is, try to work fast with this clay, because if you leave it exposed to air for too long, cracks may appear. So always store it in an airtight container. The 5 petals are now complete. Let us work on the leaves now. Take some green clay. Again, make it into a cylindrical shape. You can make as many leaves as you want. The procedure is the same as the flower petals. The only change is we are going to taper both the ends of the ball. Flatten the ball in between your fingers and the thumb. Use a cutter. Apply slight pressure and form lines in the form of the midrib and veins. Pinch one end of the leaf. All around the edge of the leaf, make these small markings as you can see. Finally, bend the leaf backwards. Make as many leaves as you want in a similar fashion.
I have made 6 leaves in total. 3 are of medium size and 3 are of small size. All that is left to do is to stick the shapes we have made onto the bottle. Use some glue and stick the petals first to form a flower. Use some other objects on either side of the bottle to prevent it from rolling over. Once we are done with the petals, let's take some green clay, shape it into a thin cylindrical strip. This will form the stem for the plant. Stick the strip in a wavy fashion. Start sticking the leaves around the stem. Finally, take some yellow color clay to form the center of the flower. Make a small ball out of it, flatten it slightly and stick it onto the center of the flower. Use a safety pin and make some small holes in the yellow clay. Let's make the bud. If you remember, we had made 6 red balls. The last red ball we'll again shape into a flower, taper one end of it, use some green color clay and wrap the green clay around the bottom of the bud. Let's stick the bud also onto the glass bottle. Our clay art is now complete. I hope you found this video useful. Please do subscribe to the channel if you did. Do try this out at home and share the recreation of this craft with me on Instagram at Ridhima Creations. We also conduct art and craft classes both online and in Bangalore. Visit www.ridhimacreationsartandcraft.com for more details. See you in the next video. Bye.